Hi friend, this is Taposh and welcome to this video. So in this video we will learn what is table and what is range and how it works and what should we use. We should use a table, we should use a range. Those things we will learn. Okay, so and how we will see the what are the benefits and all these things are there, so that whenever I will create a report or whenever I will create I will play with any other data, so what are the things I need to use. It may be table, it may be a range, and how it can help us. Okay, so here I have one data dummy data. I have pretty the both side the same data are there. So here I have created one table. Okay, and then at the same data are there, but it is not a table, it is a range only. Okay, so what I will do is, suppose now I want to I want to use some function, or I want to use some formulas. Okay, so here suppose I want to get the total expense. Suppose date, category and expense are there. Suppose I want to total the expense. So what I will do is is equal to sum tab, and then I will provide the range. So see here, if I click it, so entire row will be selected. Entire row means the table, entire table, that section will be selected. And here is a specific name means table 1, and this is expense. Table 1, this is expense. Okay, so here what we can do is, let me press enter. So the total amount is coming like this, 1236. Okay, so what I can do is, I will go inside table, I will click anywhere. Here is one thing, table design. I will go here, and here you can see the table name is table 1. So I can edit this name like meal expense, meal, don't keep a space, meal underscore expense exp. Okay, so this is my table name. Okay, so now press enter. So if I go to this formula again, so see here it has been changed, the table name has been changed, right? So I can put any name. I think you have got the idea. So now sum, this is, so I will just keep my cursor here, and click it, automatically this range will be selected. Okay, so now let's go to the range section. So here this is the range. This is not a table format. So what I will do is, the same thing I will do. I will go here, I will click equal sum tab, and now it is asking number 1. So what I will do here, I will not get any selection type pane or anything I will get. Okay, so what I have to do is, I need to select it manually. So I will select it manually, or I can type the name J, I think 5, yes, J5 to J14. So I can select, then I will press enter. So see here the same result we will get, but the things are quite different. Like I need to select it manually, the automatically it will not come. This kind of things are there. Okay, so now this is one thing. So it is I think it is better to convert any data into a table. Okay, so this is one good thing. The next thing is, suppose I want to write a function, another function or another formula I want to write here. Suppose I would say equal if logical test, if the expense is, see here I have selected this. So instead of the cell name D5, it should be D5. Instead of that, it's taking my table name and the cell range it has taken. Okay, so now if this cell is, I will say, greater than equal 5, or I would say 10, then if it is true, what would be, I would say double quotation, and then I will say okay, close it, then comma. And if it is false, then what will happen, I would say not okay, again quotation, not okay, then I will close it, I will close the bracket, and I will press enter. So see the result. Whenever I have clicked the only one cell I have edited, and automatically it has taken the data, automatically it has taken all the data. Yeah, okay, if it is 10, it is so see it has taken, if it is greater than is equal to if this value is greater than equal 10, then it is okay, and if it is not, if it is less than that, then it is not okay. So see, it is 3, that's why not okay. It is 8, not okay, and apart from all these things, it is okay. So that is okay. The thing I want to make you understand that I have given only one, in one cell I have written the formula, I have written the function, right? But automatically it has taken, and it is coming under the one table only. The name automatically taken, so I can edit the table name as well. So I would say status. Okay, so anyway, I have edited it, but the thing is automatically it has taken the format, the shape, color, all those things it has taken automatically. Only one cell I did the work. Okay, so now let's do the same thing for range. So I will go here, equal, if logical test, if this value, so see here the cell name is coming instead of the table range, table name, instead of the table and the cell name, it was coming like here, it is coming cell name only. So it is J5 it is taken. Okay, equal, sorry, greater than equal 10, the same formula, comma, then it is, I would say, okay, close. If it is false, if it is true, it is okay. If it is false, what will happen? So I would say not okay, not okay. I will close the quotation, and I will close the bracket, and now let's press enter. Okay, so see here the thing is, it is only for one cell. Automatically for table we have seen that we saw that automatically after clicking one cell only, automatically it has come all the data, even the table format as well, but here it is not coming. So what I need to do is I need to do it manually. I will go drag it, drop it, and now the same result, not okay, not okay, 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 the same result I will get. The work difference, I think you have noticed the work difference, how we are doing these things for range and how we are doing the things are for a table. Okay, how it will reduce our working time, I think. So here it is. Okay, so now, okay, there it is. And one more thing I want to, so it is a range and it is a table. So now what else we can do? We can do, suppose we want to see my total, the meals total is 1236. Okay, so here also 1236. Now what I will do is I have some additional data. So what I will do, I will select it, and then I will drag it to this section. I will add it. So whenever I have added it, see, automatically it has come under a table only, that particular table only. And see the total also, it has been changed, 1277. It should be 1236, but whenever I have added some data, so it is coming 1277. As well as the status also, status I did not change anything. Whenever I have added, automatically it has come not okay, okay, not okay, like that kind of. Let's do the same thing for range purpose, for range section. So I will do the same thing. I will go here. Before that, check the value 1236. So now I will drag it, I will add it here. Now see, here the formula is not coming automatically. Okay, that is okay. Then here see the balance also, see the total also, the sum total also, it is 1236. It is 1236. It is not adding this value as well, nothing is coming. Okay, so here is one error as well. Okay, so if I click that, let me see what the error it is saying. Anything will come. So it is asking formula omits adjacent cells, update formula to okay. So formula omits adjacent cells. Okay, so here that means the range I have given, it is exceeding that range. Okay, so now if I click it here, anything will come? No, it will not come. Okay, now see here I have given the range like this. I selected the range like this. This is my range was. Okay, so if I go here, so I have selected the range here. Only this range I have given, but the rest of the things I did not do. Okay, so now what I will do is I need to do it manually. I need to do it manually if I want to add it. So what I will do is I will just go there, and then I will here also one drop down, so I can see This I can use, otherwise I will drag it. Let's see how it works or not. I think serially it has taken, it's not working like that way. So anyway, so what we can do is, as we have selected the certain range and after that we have added something, so it will not come automatically. We need to manually set up all those things. We need to manually provide all the ranges and all those things. So I think you have got the idea. One more thing I just want to share with you between range and cells. So what I will do, I will go to the, I will click inside the table, and now suppose I want to do some total, average, count, all those things I want to do. So what I will do, I will go here, table section, here I will go the total row. Suppose here I want to do some total and all those things, so I will click here. So now see the total, it has come all the total, how many counts are there, 13. Okay, now total, here one drop down will come. Suppose this expense only I want to do the total, so I will click here. Suppose I can take sum, I can take minimum, I can take maximum, I can do average. So let me sum the same thing. Let's see, so 1277, here is the same thing, right? So everywhere the drop down will come. Here what I can do, I can count it, how many rows are there. So 13. Again it is also here also one drop down. So what I can do, I can say any other things, more function also is there. So what I can do, I will get I can get more details like average, if, pretty good, right? So the drop down will come, okay, for this particular section. So total row I need to click. So again, if I go to the this section, and now if I want to do, no drop down will come. Okay, so I need to do it manually. I need to click it like this, or I can select it. Here also it will come, sum, total, maximum, all these things will come. Otherwise I will have to go here, and then if I want to count, so I will write equal count, like this thing. So like this way I need to count this thing. So okay, let me go like this. See, so now okay, like this way, count day, it should be count day. So I think you have got the idea. So the difference between table and the range, how you can use it. One more cool thing I just want to share with you. Suppose here is the table. If you scroll it down, see here, suppose I'm scrolling, see here the header section will be there, date, category, expense, status, all these things will be there. Suppose until your data is available. If you cross the data, nothing will come. But if you are inside the data, so see that header will come automatically. Date, category, expense, status, all these things will come. But for this particular section, for range, it will not come. See, it will not come. Okay, so this is the difference between a table and the range. Now I think you have got the idea which one you should use. You should use a table, you should use a range. It is always a better idea to convert any data into table and then do all the work. Sort of, it will reduce your working time. It will help you a lot. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video. I think you have got the idea which one you should use. You should convert a data into a table, or you should use a range. It's a better idea. It's always a better idea to convert the data into your table only, not the range. Okay, so yes, that's it for this video. So in this video we have learned what is table, how it works, and what is range, how it works, and which one we should use for our daily work purpose. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video. We will meet in the next video. Thank you.